Well, yesterday I took the mirror switch out of the door, which involved taking the door panel off. And I took the switch out. Here it is. I've taken it apart. And what is broken is the joystick. And these are unobtainium. You cannot find them anywhere. So what I did was I ordered a VW part on Amazon for 12 bucks. Now most of these say they only have 4 prongs and I need 10. And look at this, it happened to come with 10 prongs, but this part isn't the same. So I've got two choices here. Either I take this one apart and I take the joystick out of it and put it in the old one, or I take this one apart and I use the whole of the bottom part and the joystick and just replace this part. So we will see. I'm going to take this one apart if I can, try not to break it, and see what's inside it. So these look extremely similar. This is the old top piece, this is the new top piece. Everything looks the same. This is the old main body, the electronics of the switch, and this is the new one. So what I'm going to try is I'm going to put the old top on the new body and see if that works, because these LEDs look a little suspicious here. This looks much better. As far as I can tell, it seems to do the same thing, so I'll see if it fits together. I can't test it though, because the cluster's out of the car and I can't switch the ignition on with the cluster out, so I'm going to have to wait to see if this works. I'll keep the other bits, and failing that I will just put the new joystick in the old body. Brilliant. So it fits together more or less. There's just one bit here that there's a slight ridge here on the new base part, which stops the top coming down. So I'm going to have to take this off again and just file that down, and we should be good to go. I don't know if it's making contact inside. I'm assuming it is, but we will see. Well, that was easy to do, except it's a little loose and springy at the front because the clips aren't exactly in the same place. So we will try this, and if necessary I will find some way of fixing this down so it holds down and keeps contact. And the thing is, you can't just put like tape around it, because these are LED lights that light up underneath the diagrams on the housing. But we will see. Now the cluster is back in and I got power back on the car. I couldn't wait to test the window switch, and it's all reinstalled. The door is back together. This doesn't quite fit yet, so I've got to figure that out, but the mirrors work. They didn't work the first time, and I had it with the new switch in there. It didn't work, so I took that apart, put the joystick in the old switch assembly, and then that didn't work either. And so, bright spark that I am, I thought of checking the fuses, and the fuse was blown. So, and I didn't have the right amperage fuse, so I put one in of a lower rating, never put one in of a higher rating. It needed a 7.5. I put in a 5 just to see if the mirrors work, and they do. I'm not sure what else is still on that circuit. I think it might be the heated seats. But the mirrors now work. Cluster's in, so it's just a question of putting the interior back together and then doing the remaining mechanical work. I'm real happy. One other job in the interior that needed attention was the knob for the navigation system was missing. Now, I know the navigation system's never been used because the CD is still in its box, in its wrapper, but it would be nice to have that knob there. So I had a cunning plan. I'm going to 3D print a knob. And here's my 3D printed knob. It looks okay, but the top isn't that great. So I had an even more cunning plan. When I was cleaning the car, I found the offending knob and it's broken on the inside. So I broke off the rest of it and I 3D printed an insert. This will just slide inside there. I need to glue it in place. And with the hole going all the way through it, this should just push in place on that little spindle that is sticking out of the console, and it will be job done for the system never to be used in the future. And there we have it, original knob back in service, good as new.